Conditioning. Conditioning is a term used in psychology to describe the process by which our behavior and beliefs are shaped by our experiences. It involves learning associations between stimuli and responses, and the formation of new behavioral patterns and attitudes as a result. How learning conditioning help us? The study of conditioning is important in understanding how humans and animals learn, adapt, and respond to their environment. Conditioning can be classified into different types such as classical conditioning, operant conditioning, social conditioning, cognitive conditioning, and philosophical conditioning. We learn and adapt to the world around us through conditioning, a process by which our behaviors and beliefs are shaped by our experiences. There are several theories of conditioning that psychologists and philosophers have developed over time. One of the most famous examples of conditioning is Pavlov's experiment with dogs. Pavlov would ring a bell every time he fed the dogs. Eventually, the sound of the bell alone was enough to make the dogs salivate. This is an example of classical conditioning, where a neutral stimulus, the bell, is paired with an unconditioned stimulus, the food, to create a conditioned response, salivation. Another type of conditioning is operant conditioning, which focuses on the consequences of our behavior. For example, if a student raises their hand and is called on by the teacher, they are more likely to raise their hand again in the future. Another example, in the workplace, employees may be motivated by positive reinforcement, such as bonuses or promotions, or negative reinforcement, such as disciplinary action. If an employee receives a bonus for their work, they are more likely to repeat the behavior that earned them the bonus. Social conditioning is another type of conditioning, which refers to the way we learn from the society and culture around us. For example, in many cultures, it is considered impolite to speak with your mouth full, so children learn this social norm through observation and feedback from their parents. Cognitive conditioning refers to the way that our beliefs and attitudes influence our behavior. For example, if someone believes that they are inherently bad at a particular activity, such as yoga, they may be less likely to put effort into practicing it. However, if they change their belief to one of growth mindset and self-efficacy, they may be more motivated to improve their skills. Finally, philosophical conditioning refers to the way that moral values and virtues are instilled in individuals. Many religious traditions teach values such as compassion, forgiveness, and generosity, which can be seen as a form of philosophical conditioning. These are just a few examples of the different ways that we are conditioned in our daily lives. By understanding these theories of learning, we can become more aware of the ways that our behaviors and beliefs are shaped by our experiences. Thanks for watching.